Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have the Kotion Each G2000 gaming headsets. So this gaming headset is sold under several different brand names, such as Version 1 or different ones on Amazon, but they'll all be the G2000 gaming headset. It features LED lights, a microphone, and then it's also compatible with PS4, Xbox One, your PC, including Nintendo Switch. All that for around $25 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open them up, check them out. So as you can see here on the side, they come in different colors, orange, red, blue. I did get the blue version, and I'll be showing off the LED and also testing the microphone. It comes in a nice cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle it. Pull this out. First thing we have in the box is a little owner's manual. Then we have the actual headphones here, and they do have bubble wrap around them so that they'll be nice and protected and actually working when you get them. And the cable, as well as some controls right here. Get this out of the bag. All right. So right off the bat, these are really big, cool looking headphones. Very shiny plastic on the sides here. Doesn't really hold fingerprints, so that's good. As you can see, we have really nice cool logos, and then Kotion Each with the G2000 on the side. You do have a nice chrome two-tone right here, so it goes from the shiny plastic to chrome into kind of a dull black with some texture at the top. The earmuffs are very, very cushioned, as you can see, and they're going to be large enough to fit over your ear, so you're not going to have any pressure on your earlobes, anything that causes pain or discomfort. You can wear these for a long time, and you probably won't have any pain. They're also really flexible, as you can see, so they'll be very durable if you sit on them or anything like that. And the sides here do extend out to fit different head sizes or hats, things like that. And up on the headband, we do have a cushion here, and this is a very large cushion. Feels really good when I press it right here, so that should be comfortable. As you can see, coming out of the left earmuff, we do have a microphone, and that can be articulated down so that it's in front of your mouth. Now the microphone's not flexible at all, so you will have to move it up if you want to get it out of your way. But it does have a really cool locking mechanism, so you can kind of put it at whatever height you want it, and it'll stay there. It's not loose at all. This all feels really well built and high quality. Got a little plastic right here. Let me take that off. And then as you can see, I think this is a blue LED, so we will test that out shortly. And then the LEDs will all be right here on both sides. And that'll look really cool if you're streaming. So moving on down to the cable here, as you can see, it is a two-toned black and blue. And if you got the other colors, that's what color it would be here. It's kind of a braided nylon, so this will keep it from tangling. It also makes it a little bit more durable because it has some protection on it. The cable leads down to this little control area thing. So on this, you can mute and unmute the microphone, and you can also change the volume on the headset. So this can be useful if you're doing live streaming, you want to quickly mute your mic. You can do that very quickly with this. It's right near your headset on the cable, so it's very easy to find. You can also quickly change the volume of the audio coming through the headset to your ears. And then going down to the actual connectors here, we have a USB connector. It does come with a little plastic protector on it, and then a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So this is what you'll be plugging into your computer, Xbox One, things like that. And this USB cable will actually power the LEDs on the headset. Then you do have a nice little Velcro strap that is for cable management. So this will kind of hold the cables in place. And as you can see, it is attached to the cable so you won't lose it, which is really cool. So if you're leaving somewhere real quick, you can quickly tie this up, and then you don't have to worry about it getting damaged or knotted in something, and then you're ready to go. So as you can see, lots of design here. Where the LED lights are at, you have some really cool detail in there. It's pretty cool looking headphones. Now that we've taken a closer look at the Kotion Each G2000 headphones, I'm going to get them connected to my computer. We'll do a quick microphone test. I'll also show you what they look like when I'm wearing them, and we'll see what these lights look like as well. So as you can see, I'm currently wearing the G2000 gaming headphones from Kotion Each. And all the audio you're currently hearing is coming through the headset right here. Just so you have a better idea of what it will sound like if you're going to be using this for live streaming or talking in a game, anything like that. Now this controller right here does work really good if I want to mute it real quick, or I can unmute it as well. Very cool that they have that. As you can see, the microphone does have a light in the front as well as the sides. They look really good on video, as you can see, so they're perfect for live streaming. All right, so as you just heard, the microphone on this headset is actually really good. The vocals come through really clear. You can easily understand what I'm saying. There's no distortion or anything like that. So I think this is going to work great for gaming or even live streaming. Real quick, I want to give you another look at the LEDs. I want to show you something. So if you just plug this in to any kind of power bank or a wall charger, this little USB connector, That will power the LEDs. As you can see, they're currently on. Let me turn my lights off real quick so you can get a better look. So as you can see here, the LED lights are very bright, very cool looking, and they're very easy to see. I love the light on the mic right here because it just kind of stands out, but you do get a really nice glow. Even on the inside of the earmuffs right here, you get some glow, which looks really cool. And again, you can do this with any power bank or a wall charger. All you have to do is plug that USB connector into it and you'll get the lights turning on. So one thing I found in the owner's manual is this little diagram that shows if you're going to be plugging this into a computer that has a separate headphone and microphone jack, you're going to need an adapter. This adapter is not included in the box, so it's something you're going to have to purchase in addition to these headphones. I find it a little bit annoying that the headset did not come with this adapter and it has to be purchased on the side, but it's something that you should know before you buy this. Overall, my experience with the G2000 gaming headset was very good. It's very comfortable and lightweight on your head. As I said, the earmuff fits all the way over your ear, so you don't have to worry about any weight or discomfort from your earlobe. Even after hours of wearing them and listening to music, the audio quality in these is also really enjoyable. You get really good bass and lows, and then the highs come through very crisp and clear. There's no distortion or tinniness, so it's just a really, really good listening experience. And I found that I really enjoyed listening to music and games with these headsets. There is a little bit of sound loss, so if you're wearing them and you have them on a pretty loud volume, people around you may be able to hear what audio you're listening to. That's something you should know going into this. They do get very, very loud, so it may just be part of that. There isn't a lot of noise canceling from these over your ears. All you're going to get is a little bit of background noise blocked by just this covering around your ear, but that's it. Overall, for the price of $25, I would highly recommend the G2000 gaming headsets. They're compatible with just about every gaming device out there, including tablets, cell phones, and computers. And they're also designed very well so that they're comfortable and also look cool with the LEDs. If you have any questions about the Kotion Each G2000 gaming headphones, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Engaging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.